Hello, welcome to my channel Tarot Queen 777. For more personalized readings, the details are in the description box. Let's check for relationships for the forthright and open Sagittarius. Sagittarius is known to be very blunt and very open and very honest and truthful. So let's check the cards for relationships for Sagittarius for this week from 31st of May to the 6th of June. Oh, a time of creativity, King of Wands. For those looking for a relationship, this may be a good time to find someone interesting. Eight of Swords shows there's a certain kind of stuckness in the situation, certain not being able to get out of a situation. A need to be practical, a need to take good strides towards your future, as the King of Swords shows. For those single, you must be maybe exploring options and not remaining in your comfort zone. You may be going out, and there's a need to do that. Wheel of Fortune shows that things will go well in the future. For those in complicated relationships, things will go well in the future. All your hopes will be answered, all your prayers will be answered, hopes will not be dashed, so don't worry about that. There's a need to take responsibility, a certain kind of vow towards your life. Look at the bigger picture, look at the larger picture. This may also be a time, as a Two of Swords shows, for a preparation towards something good, something brilliant. This may be a preparation time, a time to work on yourself, a time to look at things going forward, a time of bonhomie and togetherness. There's a lot of love on the cards, but I haven't really got lovers or devil. I've got Nine of Cups and Ten of Cups. So a time of togetherness and good time spent with family and friends. There will be the blessings of elders in your relationships, and there's a need to be practical for Sagittarius. But all in all, the cards are good. A time of preparation, for something new for the next phase of your life in relationships this week. So that's what the cards are showing. There may be a certain kind of stuckness for some people, but all in all, things are not looking up, not very bad. For career and finances for Sagittarius, let's check the cards. Okay, Five of Pentacles, a certain kind of disappointment that the way things go, a need to be committed and following through on projects and following through on your actions. Knight of Wands in the cross position, a need to be creative. Nine of Swords, stressful time for some people who are not seeing things go the way they want. This may be a good time to change your job, as Death shows. A good time to explore new options. Again, Ten of Wands, a certain kind of stuckness. Death, Ten of Wands, Nine of Swords. There's a certain kind of stuckness as far as career and finances go. There might be stressful times. There might be disappointments. And it may be a good time to look for a career change. Seven of Wands shows that there's a need to preserve what is already going well, preserve your energies, contain your energies. Nine of Pentacles shows that as far as you are concerned, things will, you may have money. High Priestess in the environment position, the blessings of women. Be respectful towards women and things will look good. Page of Pentacles, things are looking good for you. Good messages of exchange of finances and everything. And Seven of Cups, you may be fantasizing about a new project or kind of just setting your horizons wide. But there is a certain kind of disappointment, a feeling of disappointment that things not going the way you want them to go. But at the end of this week, maybe there you will see a change, as Death shows, in the way things are going. So this is the relationship and the career reading for Sagittarius. If you want to contact me, my details are given in the description box. Thank you very much.